Hey everyone, it's Brandon here with the Dumbbell. Today we have a great 10-minute core strength backyard workout. So in today's workout, a whole goal for this workout is we're gonna try to get as many rounds as we can get in for 10 minutes. We got 3 exercises and all we need is an exercise mat. So we're gonna get down on the ground. First exercise we're gonna do are crunches. We're gonna have our feet on the ground. We're gonna keep our arms straight and we're gonna reach straight up to the sky right here. So we're gonna go straight up, not diagonal. We're just gonna go straight up so we really concentrate on those upper abs on this exercise. So we wanna exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Just get your upper back and shoulders off the ground. So 20 reps on that exercise. The second one we're gonna do are reverse crunches. So we're gonna have our hands underneath our butt, bring our legs in and out right here. And we're gonna do 20 reps on this exercise. I have my head on the ground, but if it bothers your neck, feel free to have your head flat on the ground. It'll take the pressure off the back with your head up like this, but it'll put it in your neck a little bit too. So just be careful. If you have to have your head on the ground, that's perfectly fine. You can also do reverse crunches upright like this. This is a little bit more challenging, but you'll feel it a little bit more. And you got 20 reps on the reverse crunches. Now the next exercise we're gonna do, we're gonna flip over and we're gonna do a straight leg bird dog, up and down bird dog, I should say. So technically bird dogs are where you go in together, out together. I tend to feel this one a little bit more. So we're gonna keep our arms straight, legs straight, and you're gonna go up and down. So here's what I want you to do. 20 reps on each side. Keep your arms straight, legs straight. You don't need to go all the way up and all the way down. You wanna keep that arm up and leg up so you really feel that. You'll feel that in your glutes and definitely right here in your lower back. So 20 on one side, then we'll switch it over, 20 on the other side. Now you might notice that you might have a little bit more strength or even a little bit harder time on one side more than the other. That's perfectly fine. Sometimes you just have to build up one side. Maybe it's a little weaker or it doesn't get used as much. So just get as many rounds as you guys can get in for 10 minutes, and trust me, it's a great way to help build up your core strength. So if you guys like this workout, please comment below. We'd love to get your feedback, and check out our other programs on thedumbbell.com if you're really wanting to step up your fitness game, and I'll see you guys next time.